Roof game level, unlocked. The Shark Tank approved doorstep that lifts, locks and rocks. Tired of channeling your inner Spider-Man just to reach your roof rack? Meet the TOOENJOY Adjustable 5-gear Car Door Latch Step, the foldable, no-fuss, heavy-duty hero your vehicle's been craving. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum and alloy steel, this rugged little beast supports up to 400 pounds, yes, you read that right. It's got 5-gear adjustable angles, a 360 degrees locking hook, and a no-scratch rubber bumper, making it the MacGyver of car gadgets. Whether you're loading a kayak or wiping bird drama off your sunroof, this step gives you elevated access, literally. So why is this better than the wobbly ladder or janky milk crate you've been using? First off, the anti-slip, anti-rust build means it's made for the long haul. This isn't some gimmicky step stool, it's a military-grade roof whisperer. The scissor-lock structure offers bidirectional support to distribute weight evenly, so you won't be doing the 1-foot wobble mid-lift. No installation tools, no nonsense, just click it in, step up, and boom, rooftop mastery. It folds to glove box size, making it your secret weapon in the car that nobody knows about, yet. Let's talk time, money, and frustration saved. You don't need to call someone taller, drag out a stepladder, or do acrobatics to tie down your kayak anymore. The TOOENJOY step is always ready. Heading on a camping trip? Strapping down skis or a cargo box? Cleaning your roof like the responsible adult you are? This one step does it all, without scratching your car or your patience. It's a one-time buy that delivers every time you use it, rain, shine, snow, or seagull poop. And we're not just raving here, this gadget's been through the Shark Tank development ringer. After 2 years of R&D and 5 design upgrades, it's tech-tested, user-loved, and battle-ready for real life. From Volvos to Jeeps to hatchbacks, customers say it's sturdy, compact, and surprisingly stylish. And don't worry, your paint job is safe, the thick rubber bumper's got your back and your doorframe. It's small enough to fit your glove box but strong enough to handle your biggest adventure. The TOOENJOY Car Door Step isn't just a tool. It's an instant height upgrade, a safety essential, and an ergonomic design when all wrapped into one compact, foldable gadget. Affordable? Yep. Reliable? 100%. Worth it? Every single climb. So go ahead, unlock your roof game like a boss and give your inner explorer a leg up. Literally.